back finishing up this enclosure. As you can see, got it looking pretty decent so far. Got some sanding to do on it still. So of course, y'all, I'm gonna try to speed the video up a little bit. It ain't gonna be long, just a little update of what's going on. So I'm gonna do a little sanding on this, and then we'll be back. So I was trying to get it nice enough to paint it. Of course, not perfect or whatnot, but you know, we're gonna get the job done for what is being used for or whatnot. So y'all be sure to like and subscribe. Be sure to comment. I gotta do a little more sanding to get some of that. I got a little piece of glue on the back. Gotta get a little, I guess 80 grit sandpaper. I don't know, something like that to get that glue off of there. It's kind of hard to get that off with that other I got on there now. But y'all be sure to like, subscribe. Y'all like videos like this, y'all let me know. Be sure to like, subscribe. See y'all back on the next one.